Hey there, I'm Griffin with Seatronx. Our company was established with an ambitious goal in mind to provide superior, ruggedized electronics with unparalleled quality and performance. Our products are designed to withstand the toughest environments using proven and tested technology that you can rely on to get the job done every single time. Seatronx is proudly an American-based company. We distribute all of our products out of Las Vegas, Nevada. We offer services including manufacturing and distribution for a variety of custom products. By working with other reputable brands such as NSI, Throughput, and SurfVision, we are able to provide top-notch offerings. Seatronx's ruggedized displays are a cut above the rest. We offer the most extensive selection of cost-effective marine displays and custom monitors on the market. Additionally, we specialize in a large assortment of cameras, panel PCs, tablets, computers, servers, keyboards, trackballs, CCTV, and air traffic control equipment. Each of the options within our product lineup have multiple subtypes within each category, built specifically for each of the industries that we support, such as maritime and marine, military and defense, industrial and manufacturing, heavy equipment and construction, and lastly, air traffic control and aerospace. Seatronx is a reputable and reliable choice for your business. Along with our proven track record, we hold and maintain numerous certifications dedicated to quality and industry standards. These include ISO 9001, AS9120D, and AS9120B for aerospace, marine, and industrial applications. Seatronx offers a complete selection of electronic products with military specifications and IEC 60945 type approvals to meet your requirements. Seatronx is your trusted partner for delivering cutting-edge solutions to your unique specifications through our commercial, off-the-shelf, and custom products. What really sets Seatronx above the rest is our people, who truly make the difference. Our team is comprised of dedicated industry professionals with decades of experience and shared successes. Our people, individually and collectively, provide innovative solutions to large and small companies around the world. At Seatronx, we are committed to exceeding expectations and only allow the very best talent to reach that goal. We take great pride in forging long-term relationships with our clients. By understanding your specific needs and requirements from concept through completion, we know you'll be more than satisfied when the project finishes. We love the challenge that customized applications provide and will work diligently to ensure that you receive a world-class result. At Seatronx, we turn your ideas into reality. We are proud to have earned the reputation of consistently delivering integrative solutions that exceed industry standards. Whether you're out at sea, on the field, or working in demanding industrial environments, Seatronx is here to deliver. Our solutions work time and time again. That is what has defined us and has paved the way to our motto: our vision is your vision. Thank you for watching. Seatronx is here to support your needs in any way we can. Please don't hesitate to submit a complimentary consultation form via our website to get started, or feel free to reach out through any of our forms of communication. Contact us today to explore how we can turn your vision into reality.